Hey guys! Welcome to Online Gift Store channel. In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 4K night vision dash camera for your car. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best dash cam, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. ToHayie Full HD Dash Cam. Brand name, ToHayie. The car dash cam with built-in sensitivity G sensor. Dash cam will automatically record unexpected driving incidents and lock footage when the G sensor is triggered by sudden shake collision, providing you significant evidence when something unexpected happens. Accident scene can be truly restored, then you can stay away from the liar and loss. Super night vision. Thanks to advanced sensor, this dash cam can record full high-quality videos under low light conditions. This camera can provide adaptive sensitivity of light to enhances the clarity both day and night. It makes the night shoot brighter and prevents overexposure, suitable for most light conditions. Loop recording. Loop recording means new recordings that will automatically overwrite oldest recordings when the memory card gets full. You will never miss any moment. You can choose the time for each file as 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. 3-inch screen, 1080 by 720 HD and 3-inch large screen shows the road condition in real time. Helps you see every details clearly when playing back and brings better visual experience. It can deliver clearer videos and images and replay the key moment even when high-speed driving, providing you the best visual experience. It is really very easy to install. You can install the camera on the window or on the car plate. If you are new to the car, it may need someone to help you. Number 4. XGODY A64-inch DVR dash camera. Brand name, XGODY. Low illumination high definition video, dual camera 1080p by 720p, the front camera is Full HD 1080p, the rear view camera is 720p. The built-in low illumination high previous to light 170-degree wide angle lens, was made by 6 layers of A+ high transmittance glass. 4.0-inch HD IPS touchscreen. Support night vision, one LED light can let it record clear video in low light condition, as is clearly visible at night. Support G sensor, automatically recording video and lock file when accident occurred, is the best evidence for you. Support 24 hours parking monitoring, connect car battery with parking monitoring cable, even though the car was turned off, the machine can still record video. To achieve 24-hour surveillance. Support loop recording. Motion detection automatic recording. Support reversing video camera, connect the red line of rear view camera to the anode of reversing lights. Insert the car charger. Machine will automatically start recording. When your car switch to R position, it will switch to reverse image automatically. The biggest support 32GB DF card. Can charge while video. Image monitor the real-time recording output. Easy to install with the help of suction bracket, perfect hidden installation, don't block the line of sight. Short press the power key to close the screen can be closed while recording, press the voice key to sound off, press the LED light to open night vision mode. Press the lock key to lock files. Number 3. VVCAR D530 Car DVR Camera. Brand name, VVCAR. VVCAR D530 3-inch screen 4K 1080p car DVR camera. 4K HD quality, restore real driving details. Distinguished from other 1080p dash cam, VVCAR DVR provides a video resolution high up to 3840 by 2160 24 fps. 2560 by 1440 30 fps and 1920 by 1080 30 fps. The shell is independently designed by a senior designer, fashionable style. 3-inch screen to prevent blocking the line of sight. With hidden design, the angle can be adjusted freely. D530 newly launched super large pixels, automatically fill light and non-light environment. The new super aperture, the light transmittance reaches 99.99%. And the license plate is still clearly visible in any environment. D530 is equipped with Wi-Fi. When encountering emergencies or accident disputes, app intelligently connects to retrieve accident videos in real time. Sony Senior, Sony image processing chip with full HD image processing technology, With high-fidelity H.264 video encoding storage compression method, the video picture is clear and delicate. G-Senior if there is a collision G-Shock sensor will automatically blocks the file recorded video for the overwriting. Number 2. AZDOME GS63H-Cam. Brand name, AZDOME. AZDOME GS63H-Cam dual lens 4K UHD recording car camera. Drive safe with the new GPS-enabled AZDOME dual lens cam in your car. Crystal clear 4K recording. Experience next-level recording with 4K UHD videos at 2880 by 2160p, backed by Novatech NT96660 processor and a best-in-class OV4689 ultra-low light capture 4MP CMOS sensor. The ultra-wide-angle lens allows 170-degree field of view that easily covers 4 lanes and captures distortion-free images. Super Night Vision, f1.8 wide aperture allows superior images, be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6-glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light. 24-hour parking monitoring. The built-in 250 mAh Li-ion battery allows up to 24 hours of parking monitoring. Note that the battery is only for parking captures. Connect camera to an external power source when in use. Smart accident monitoring. The built-in G-sensor in AZDOME cam activates upon impact and records videos of up to 1 minute. The 3-axis impact G-sensor data ensures precise emergency recording of when and where the impact occurred and dockets the file to aid further investigation. Number 1. DDPAI Mini Ultra HD Cam. Brand name, DDPAI. 4K Ultra HD, DDPAI Mini 5 recording with 4K Ultra HD 3840 by 2160p resolution. 6.22 million pixel sensor license plates can be made out more clearly and from further away. Superior RealCube image processing high sensitivity 8 megapixel CMOS Sony MX415 sensor with DDPAI unique RealCube image processing technology and comes with Power F. 1.8 aperture 7 glass camera lens to take crystal clear videos and pictures day and night even in low light scenarios. Enjoy the cool SR driving video. SR combines the GPS data and sensor data of the recorder then displays it on the video interface to every DDPAI users how to use. Select to open or close the SR button before sharing to your social media. Share new things with your family and friends anytime and anywhere. 5G HZ Wi-Fi for easy video access built in the fastest 5G HZ Wi-Fi technology. Open camera Wi-Fi and connect with DDPAI app. You can reach 4K configure, real-time photo, live stream, playback, download, share on social app faster and easier with the ultimate speed transmission. Superior night vision with dual 7-glass lens high sensitivity 8MP Sony Starvis sensor IMX415 and f1.8 largest aperture on the front camera enhances night vision efficiently.